Hey guys, today I'll be telling you how you can create an Amazon affiliate website. And in this video, I'll be telling you all the things that you need to get started with Amazon affiliate. So this is the framework that you have been looking for, the resources for people that are new to niche site project and even for the long-term affiliate marketer that you want to learn more. So this video will serve as an information jumping off point for all the things related things to Amazon affiliate marketing with a sprinkle of project management. So in this video, I will be telling you about affiliate marketing, the Amazon Associate program, and the high level success and roadmap and examples of real affiliate sites. So then I will point you to deeper explanations of the process and the roadmap. This video is like an intro and table of content for the process of creating an Amazon affiliate site. So let's go into the intro of the Amazon affiliate marketing. So here I will tell you how basically affiliate marketing works. If you recommend a product, someone makes a purchase after using your affiliate link, you get a commission. The concept is very simple, but it may be new to you. I was right there with you. I was see when I found the Smart Passive Income podcast in 2013. I didn't know about a thing about affiliate marketing or anything related to making money online. So there are a lot of affiliate programs available to the marketer. For example, you can work with a big marketplace like a ShareSale, ClickBank, who can help you to match the marketers with retail companies. So there are marketplaces that have focused on information products and software like ClickBank, Commission Junction. Lastly, there are favorite program with big retailer like Walmart, Target, and Amazon. So my favorite is Amazon. So let's talk about the Amazon Associate program. So I love Amazon. For most things, I prefer to order online versus going to a physical retail location, and maybe that's why I like the Amazon Associate program so much. So the official name of the affiliate program is called Amazon Associate Program. So let me tell you pros about this program. So people buy a lot of things from Amazon. You get a commission for all the products in someone's order, not just the item that you link to click. Amazon has extremely diverse range of products, so you can market the product using a blog, YouTube, and several social media platforms. So, but there are like cons of this programs as well. They have low commission payout and then the other programs, and you have to follow many rules in the operating agreement. You can't use email marketing directly. So, this is the definitive guide to create successful Amazon niche site. The video is about a roadmap that will help you navigate your way to profitable niche sites. So this is ridiculous amount of information about about niche sites. A lot of it is really on and out of date, and the video is up to date. And I take the time to make change as the time goes and things change. I actually started by the following past playing niche site URL. So let's talk about how you can build an Amazon affiliate site. So this is the same process that I used to create my niche sites. I studied Pat Flynn, Smart Passive Income, and Spencer Flaws when I started in mid 2013. As a reference point, this is the process I used to create a site that made over $31,000 in 2016. So, and then I made over like $70,000 in 2017. So I'm only mentioning this data point to add credibility to my process. I didn't make just a roadmap for the process. I've tested it extensively in students and viewers also. So when I started learning about the new sites, there was some so-called expert that weren't really practitioners. They was just well educated about the people who started blog and didn't really know uh, what they were talking about. So I accepted some advice from people didn't know that they were doing and most likely to just wanted to pitch software and tool to make affiliate commission. It was like getting direction from an out of towner. So it's the same process that countless other niche site owners have said. The process works for a niche site on a day, two-way radios or puppy collars or planters, anything between. The process works because it follows a precise set of phases that you execute in a specific order. So I have removed ineffective steps or if there is no ROI or low ROI or a task, and then we don't do it. Learn the steps of the niche site process for Amazon affiliates website. In this video, I will tell you, I will mention some of the outlines of the niche site process or NSP for short. So print out the roadmap and study. Post it next to your desk. If you plan on building a niche website, that then you will reference to the NSP often. So when you learn new concept tactic like keyword research and outsourcing, you will need to remind yourself where you are in the NSP. Otherwise, you could be wasting money and, more importantly, wasting your time. A word of caution: there isn't much value in understanding how to do keyword research and competition analysis online. So there's enormous value and profit in understanding how to use those niche selection strategies within the overall niche site process. So this data applies to anything in the NSP. You must understand where a step fits within the process and not just how to do it. So to keep the topic focused, we are mainly considering an insight monetized using the Amazon associated affiliate program of Amazon. So let me tell you some of the steps that may be totally new to you, but don't worry. Let's review each one of the steps right here on this page, and I will point out research that are available to learn more. Then you are going to be an expert computer 99% of the people out there. Some of the resources are freely available on the niche site project blog. Other resources are for sale, and in training courses, that's right. I'll sell some stuff, and there are affiliate links on this page at no additional cost to you. I will earn a commission if you decide to make purchase. So let's take deeper. So let's dig deeper. Okay. Let's talk about the Amazon affiliate review. So basically, let's talk about selecting a niche. Okay. This is the most important phase of the process, especially for beginners. So every single part of the process is dependent on choosing a niche that target group of willing buyers. You can't make the process work if you don't have commercial viable niche or market. I would like to say you need to intercept the customer brain to pick a purchase like on Amazon. The people visiting your website will be buying something no matter what. You just need to help them to make them the buying decision. But first, they will need to get to your website somehow. Creating a niche site that attracts some kind of traffic is key. So I didn't understand the keyword research tools I was using. I was following out of this set of tutorial in the ways by a successful person. I messed up with the step. I picked a niche that didn't really have any product or services to buy or sell. They didn't buy us. How did what I was thinking. So guys, this was it for today, and hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.